In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your DocuSign account settings in 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your settings, what each section controls, and how to save your changes with confidence so your account works the way you need it to. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official DocuSign website. Sign in using your email address and password. Make sure you're on the official site before entering credentials. And if you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it autofill to avoid typos. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your dashboard. Click your profile icon in the upper right, then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. This takes you to your account hub, where all your key options live. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. DocuSign sometimes updates the interface, but the settings option remains accessible from your profile area. Inside settings, take a moment to scan the sections available, including profile, security, notifications, and preferences. Think of this as your control center. Profile is where your identity details live. Security is about protecting your account. Notifications handles emails and alerts, and preferences fine-tunes your general experience. Open the profile section to update details like your name, email address, or company information. Keep your legal name accurate, especially if you're signing official documents. If you change your email, DocuSign may prompt you to verify it before the change fully applies. Next, head to Security. Here you can update your password, adjust login methods, or enable two-step verification for extra protection. Two-step verification adds a second check when you sign in, which is one of the best ways to keep your account secure. Choose the options that fit your workflow, and remember that stronger security may mean fewer headaches later. Quick note for convenience. The link to the official DocuSign website is at the very top of the video description. So if you need to open it or share it, it's easy to find. Now open notifications. This is where you decide how and when DocuSign emails you about document activity, reminders, and status updates. If you receive too many emails, you can dial them back. If you're missing important alerts, turn on the ones that matter most. After you make changes in any section, click Save or Update to apply them. Look for a confirmation message to ensure your updates were recorded. That's how to change DocuSign account settings using the step-by-step method for 2026. Thanks for watching.